Press and hold for 3 seconds to turn on. Connect the computer USB port. Open Perry page Webist, www.ileadtech.com. Click on the top right corner to download. Select Windows PC Print Driver. Click down to select a 6 model. Download to the desktop to decompress. Click the installation package to download the mini printer driver installation. Click Install. Step 1. USB port detection. Step 2. One-click install driver. The pop-up window is installed successfully. Open the document, select the print icon in the top left corner and view the printer name. Click Properties, select Paper and Quality and Print.